Some of the happiest faces you know belong to people quietly drowning. And if you watch closely, you'll see it. The eyes always tell the truth. A small drop, a tiny shift, the moment the mask can't hold anymore. They greet others with practiced ease, a friendly wave, a perfect smile. But inside, every greeting takes a little more strength than the last. In small moments, like waving at a neighbor, you can see it. The smile fades the second no one is watching, the body quietly sinking into itself. They take pictures, send selfies, show the world the best version of themselves, even when their hands tremble trying to hold the camera steady. On calls with family, they shine. They laugh, reassure, pretend, and the moment the screen goes dark, their eyes finally fall into honesty. They learned young that staying quiet and smiling made life easier. Even as storms raged behind closed doors, they colored softly just to feel safe. As a team, they hid tears in towels and mirrors. Every time they wiped their face, they practiced a new smile, one that wouldn't worry anyone. They whispered, "I'm fine," long before they ever understood what it meant. Because being fine wasn't truth, it was survival. At family dinners, everyone sat politely, pretending everything was okay. The silence became tradition, and honesty became forbidden. As a child, they cracked jokes to stop arguments, a tiny attempt to keep peace, believing their smile could fix the chaos around them. And with time, the mask grew stronger. Smile after smile, they built a version of themselves that felt safer than their real feelings. With friends, they laugh loud, bright, and easy. No one notices the weariness behind their eyes because they're so good at playing okay. At work, they become the dependable one, the helper, the problem solver. People praise their strength, unaware it's slowly draining them. Late at night, they text sweet little emojis and reassuring words while sitting alone in the dark, holding themselves together. And the moment they close the door behind them, their whole body collapses under the weight of everything they carried all day. At 3:14 a.m., they stare at the ceiling, wondering why loneliness feels loudest at night. Sleep doesn't come when the mind is this heavy. Even during simple tasks like washing dishes, they drift away. Their body moves, but their mind feels miles away from the moment. In the car, they grip the steering wheel just to feel grounded. Sometimes, holding on physically is the only way to stop spiraling emotionally. In crowded stores, the lights, sounds, and faces blur together. They freeze, overwhelmed, wishing they could simply disappear for a moment. People call them strong, resilient, inspiring, but no one sees how tiring it is to be the strong one every single day. Partners say, "I thought you were fine." Friends say, "You always seem okay." And it hurts, because the mask worked a little too well. They get left unread, not because people don't care, but because everyone assumes they don't need help. The mask makes them invisible. And quietly, they eat dinner alone. One plate, one glass, one empty chair. The silence grows louder than any words ever could. In therapy, they learn the truth. This smile wasn't weakness. It was protection. A shield they built when honesty was dangerous. For the first time, They sit without pretending. No acting, no performance. Just a quiet breath. And their real self finally showing. People try to reach out, but old habits pull them back. The mask taught them to stay polite. Even when they desperately need connection, slowly, they remove the things that help them hide. A scarf, a piece of jewelry, a practiced expression, one small release at a time. In the forest clearing, they stand with open arms, letting the light touch them. For the first time, they aren't hiding. They're healing. Healing begins quietly, in the small moments where you open your heart again and let the light find you. And when you're ready to take your first step toward healing, we're here for you. Noela Family Counseling and Education Center. Visit our website or connect with us online, because every new beginning starts with a single brave moment.